Hey everybody, and welcome to Paper Crafting with Tammy. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. It is awesome to see you here. I have a great project for us today that we're going to start on in just a minute. If you haven't done it yet, take a minute and hit that big red subscribe button so you see what else I've got for you next time. And let's get started. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. I wanted to share with you the November 2020 Kiwi Club Kit. And this video is a little late in the month. This kit was a little pokey getting here. I have been not so patiently waiting for it, but I wanted to share it now that it's here. So this kit is called Home Sweet Home. So it's got a fun little header banner. So that'll be nice to create with. And if you haven't seen these kits before, you got to see these great little corner packages. These are just packaged so nicely so that nothing gets damaged in transit. I love that. If anybody ever thinks of a use for those, let me know. I keep thinking I need to save them, but then I can't figure out what to do with them, and then I stop saving them. So first, let's take a look at the templates for this month. So we've got a nice big banner in here, it looks like. So this is called Homemade. So could be used on a lot of different layouts to just kind of help create a title banner or a picture, maybe a couple of photos coming off of that. So we'll see how we decide to play with that one. And then a really fun a la carte teapot. So that's got a lot of detail on it and that cute handle. And an a la carte rolling pin. So another little cutie. I know I do some baking pages, especially as we're getting into November and December. So those would be fun for those, cookie pages or baking pies, things like that. So that's fun. And then I'm just going to flip this over real quick. The back always gives you a quick look at what's in here and a look at all the pages together, which I always really enjoy, getting to see how the different colors are going to work together before I take a closer peek. So let's see what the cards are going to look like. There's always so many. And I love that they're beautiful printed paper on the back. That just gives me an awesome way to use them for, photo mats or embellishments or something if I'm not crazy about the front. So, all right, I'm just gonna do a quick look through these, kind of up close so you can see them. Aw, that's sweet. Fill your life with stories to tell, not things to show. Love that. Count the memories, not the calories. That's good advice moving into Thanksgiving. Aw, these are really sweet. I like these colors a lot. That's a really beautiful teal. And then look at the plaid around the edge of this one. It says home is next to you. Time spent with family is worth every second. This one's just got all the days of the week with a cute little plaid border. The most treasured heirlooms are the sweet memories of family. Cute. And when you focus on the good gets better. That is advice I could probably use myself right now. Alrighty, and then we've got the 4x4s. Enjoy life, it's delicious. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Oh, that's sweet. And the best memories are made around the table. Holy cow, isn't that true? I think most of my memories are made around the table. Cute. And then these are a 4x6. So some good ones for doing some journaling, using with those new templates. I bet these are the right size for that rolling pin. I'm gonna test it. Yep. So that rolling pin just fits perfectly over any of these. So you've got 4 awesome embellishments right off the bat. So that's pretty fantastic. And then this last one says, our home Where memories are made, tears are shed, love is felt, and refuge is found. You belong here. So sweet. All right, so let's take a look through the papers just so you can see what it is. And if you are not a club member yet, first I have to say, why not? No, I'm just kidding. You know, anytime you need more information, please reach out. I usually have a link in the description that takes you to an area of the website where you can see a little bit more about the club. But I know sometimes it's confusing. So if you do have questions, please holler. I'd be happy to help. All right, so this is really fun. Herbs, cake plate, the teapot, a little coffee pot with steam, and the rolling pin. So many different little images there that you could use for so many things. And then just a beautiful burgundy on the back. Look at this floral. Oh my gosh, that is lovely. And we have some templates from previous club kits that are gonna work really well with these florals. Love that. And then diamonds, it's kind of a gold paper. These are little houses. It says Casa, Home Sweet Home, Our Place, Love Grows Here. Okay, lots of fun little images. And then the back is an orange, like a floral vine kind of. This is really pretty. It's like a brown, maybe a deep brown, and then a teal kind of texture. I don't know if you can see that. It's lovely. And just white or off-white with a little light green. There's that really cool plaid. And then this is just textured like a medium brown with a cream color. Another really beautiful teal, just with some random scattered spots on it. And a nice deep orange, like a burnt orange. Kind of, oh, we've made it to the background. So we've got kind of a brick color here, just with some texture on it. Or, I don't know, I would say like a wheat almost, colored on the back. And then kind of a burnt orange with teal on the reverse side. So a lot of really beautiful, rich autumn colors to play with in this kit. That's gonna be a lot of fun for scrapbooking some fall memories and holiday memories. So again, we will release our Kiwi Club videos a little later this month. I know everybody was scrambling, kind of waiting for the kit. Now that it's here, we'll get busy and we'll make sure we post those so that you can get some ideas about how to use it up. But in the meantime, I hope that you guys are staying safe and taking good care, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.